Installation of product accessories. Adjust the lock latch length. Hold the position of the latch square hole and pull it back horizontally to select 2.36 inches or 2.75 in. Check door swing direction, align the latch position, insert into door frame, and secure with screws. Check if the latch is properly secured. Install front panel. Adjust the spindle to proper alignment. Feed the power cable through latch and guide spindle through until outside rose sits flush. Install rear panel. Feed power cable through hole in knob and guide spindle into handle. Test if the lock operates properly. Screw inside knob to outside knob using mounting screws. Install the battery. Install 4 pieces IAA alkaline batteries into the battery box. The wrong installing plus battery will make the product unable to work and will also lead to destructive malfunction. Install the battery box, insert the power cord, plug the power cord into the power socket. Check if the power connection is functioning properly. Recycle the excess power cord into the hole. Install the battery cover in the orientation position and fasten 2 mounting screws. Enter 0123 hash. 0123 is an installation test code. Press down on the handles to see if they are smooth. Reset the lock to factory default. Press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds with something like a toothpick until 10 beeps are heard. Enter asterisk number 2 hash comma, enter 6 times fingerprint, and the sound will 2 beeps. Light turns green, indicating that the fingerprint has been successfully added. Fingerprint unlocking. Enter asterisk number 2 hash comma, enter administrator fingerprint, wait for the light to turn blue. Enter 6 times fingerprints, and the sound will 2 beeps. Light turns green, indicating that the fingerprint has been successfully added. Fingerprint unlocking. Enter asterisk number 1 hash comma, enter administrator fingerprint. Wait for the keypad light to turn on. Enter the regular user password, press hash to confirm. Re-enter your password. Press hash to confirm. The password has been successfully added. Password unlocking. Mechanical key unlocking.